Broadcasting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Sarah Pizon for FX 77 Option. U.S. stocks are trading higher this Thursday, bouncing back from the previous session's quiet day as investors kept an eye on dollar declines and calmer bond markets. Meanwhile, in data, weekly jobless claims came in at 264,000, just below last week's reading and below expectations for a slight increase. The initial filings for unemployment benefits per week remain near 15-year lows. And the producer price index for April fell 0.4%, with the core figure down 0.2%, missing expectations for a slight gain. And now in commodities, crude oil futures are holding steady following yesterday's rise on another surprise slide in inventory figures. Oil prices edged higher and then lower Thursday, with gains held in check as concerns over the outlook for global economic growth overshadowed data showing that U.S. oil supplies fell for the second consecutive week last week. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for June delivery was down 0.15% to $60.41 a barrel from Wednesday's close of $60.50. And here to talk about the crude oil supplies read for FX 77 Option is Luke Ribari of Stetland Volatility Group.
Yeah, well, oil prices have been really volatile, but as you said, I think this might be the fifth or sixth time we've had a drawdown on the expected numbers, and then oil tends to rally. So this time I think it was expected a little, and then you see what's happening with the dollar. In the short term, oil's got huge correlation to dollar moves, but oil has been strong, and we've kind of predicted it previously when we've talked. There's the summer driving season. Look what's happened to unleaded gasoline, even natural gas going up. People thinking about heating fuel and also natural gas for the hot summer. Oil's had a good floor to it, and it seems to be crawling higher.
And we conclude with the Forex market as the US dollar remains bearish, with Euro-US dollar pair 0.03% higher at 113.54. Meanwhile, Trading Central analysts are focused on the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair, which is posting a rebound but stands below the resistance at 119.80. Short positions below the resistance at 119.80 are favored, with targets at 118.90 and at 118. And for FX 77 Option from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Sarah Pizon.